Hello, it's Carla here and I'm with Erin, and today we're doing some balance work using the Markaloo. And we're using the Markaloo Pebble, Pod and Lotus. What I've done is I've taken the pod and I've put that on top of there to make it a little bit wobbly. The Markaloo Dome, because it is magnetic, is sitting on there so that Erin can do her, squat if you're in a gym, plie if you're in Pilates, and she can go down and get that little bit of tailor glide. How's that feel? Now, what you'll see is some people might cheat if you just press it going into your toes. Yep, cheaters don't prosper, remember? So if you see that, get them to press back into the heel a little bit more, you have that feedback. I'd say 10 to 30, depending on your mood. Thank you and enjoy.